And that right there, folks, very simple, very easy, Supershieldz tempered glass screen protector install. And you don't even get a frame. You just have to have a little bit of a steady hand and some patience. Enjoy the process. The Supershieldz Protector Professional Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector, 9H hardness. Got some information down there at the bottom. I'll leave the link down below in the description area. I'll send you on over to Amazon. It's going to cost you less than 10 smacks. At the beginning of the video, you saw that you get 3 tempered glass screen protectors, 3 alcohol prep wipes, 3 microcloths, and 3 dust absorbers. Plenty to work with. Again, just take your time and enjoy the process. Don't do the install during a busy part of the day. There are no bubbles. Everything looks great. I have my Spigen Slim Armor Pro case on my Google Pixel 9 Pro. Fold. Everything looks great. There was some space. Let me take the frame off and show you how much space between the cover display and the actual tempered glass screen protector. A lot of space there, but once you put on a case, what's nice is, like the frame that we have here from Spigen for the Slim Armor Pro, now you barely have any space whatsoever between the glass protector and the frame. And that's what you want to see. You don't want to have any issues with the frame pushing up against the glass protector, because it's just not going to work. All right, so what we want to do is test out the touch response. No issues whatsoever. Let's see. Let's go into an article here on the web. All right, no issues whatsoever. Close all of that. Go into my app drawers. Let's go into YouTube. Go to my videos. A lot of case reviews, folks. A lot of case reviews. All right, so everything working great. If there's anything that I did not cover in this video that, well, you had a question about, please ask down below in the comment section. Again, all the information to purchase the Supershieldz tempered glass screen protectors down below in the description area. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.